Good afternoon, Ghost Cats and Ghost Kittens. This is Ghost Cat Patrick. Today, I got a little video for you. I had the opportunity a few weeks ago to shoot at Skidmark Garage in Cleveland, Ohio. Skidmark Garage is a very, very unique place. It is a place that encourages people to learn how to fix their own motorcycles. They show you how to fix motorcycles. They help teach, they help foster a community of people teaching people, everything from welding to turning wrenches to a little bit of everything. There's a culture that has grown up around it. And that's actually kind of what I want to talk about with this as the culture of motorcycling. You know, in the past, motorcycling has kind of felt a little exclusionary. Like if you're not a sport bike guy, if you're not a Harley guy, if you don't belong in these little communities, then you kind of felt like you weren't welcome. Modern motorcycling isn't like that. There's a culture of acceptance that's really grown up around it, and it's all about just being on two wheels and enjoying what that life's all about. And this Skidmark Garage is really a good place that fosters that kind of culture. And if you have any interest whatsoever in motorcycling, you're in the Cleveland area, check it out. They're really good people. The whole experience is fantastic. So definitely check it out. Enjoy my little video. Please like, subscribe, share, all that sort of thing. I think if you follow me regularly, you know that my regular camera has completely shot craps. So I've been shooting with my iPhone, which I'm not thrilled about, but hopefully that'll change soon. This video was shot mostly on the iPhone with a DJI Mini 3 Pro, something like that, I think is what it's called. Anyway, great little drone. iPhone did a pretty good job. I don't know. Enjoy. Tell me what you think. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Tell me what you think. Make sure I'll get back to you. Thanks.
Skidmark Garage is a community access motorcycle garage, meaning it's DIY. So there's no mechanics. You pay a membership fee, you bring your bike in, and you get all the tools and the community of people to help you work on it, and you figure it all out yourself, fix it yourself, fix your own stuff, and make a whole new group of friends. The community at Skidmark Garage is extremely important, more so than even the tools. The community will help you figure things out, offer a second set of eyes, give you some confidence, give you some encouragement. It is probably the most important part of the garage, and therefore it's guarded very closely, so all people that join must be welcoming to all. Inclusivity is a gigantic part of this community, a big part of this culture, so if you can't bring yourself to, I don't want to sound like a dick, but if you can't bring yourself to treat other people as humans, all people, whether it's super different from you or not, then you're not welcome here. This is the place for, like, my motto is all are welcome who welcome all. And everyone is a human, and everyone deserves to be treated as a human, and that's why this place is for everyone. And if you want to become a part of Skidmark Garage, then you need to give me a call, shoot me a text, shoot me an email, schedule a tour, come in, I'll show you around, explain how the whole thing works, introduce you to some people, make sure that we are a good fit for you and that you are a good fit for the community.